Gamers, our time is now, especially if you are on a budget like me, fam. Lenovo had a little press event the other day and showed off their new Lenovo LOQ budget gaming laptops. I mean, they didn't really say budget gaming laptops, but these are under their more expensive and more pricier Lenovo Legion gaming laptops. So I'm kind of interested. I want to know what price point they're going to come in. Are they going to come in below 1,000? If they're below 1,000, I'm not talking 999. Okay, let's call it below 800. That would be interesting because from what they're telling me, they're talking about 13th gen Intel Core or AMD Ryzen 7000 CPUs mixed together with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 or 4060 graphics cards. And considering the fact that they're saying these new 4050 graphics cards can outperform the current gen 3060s, that should be a wild laptop gaming portable package under £1,000 if we make that price point. Now, the one that I had to get a little look at the press event looked kind of decent. No Thunderbolt 4, unfortunately, no Express USB ports whatsoever. To be honest, we do have USB 3.2 Gen 2. One of them is capable of display port out, version 1.4. We got 3.5mm there. We still got the privacy switch for the webcam, which is cool. And we've got another couple of USB-A ports there. So lots of options and opportunities to plug lots of different USB peripherals in, but not the fastest transfer speeds you're going to get from them, which is not really that deep unless you're considering connecting it to an external GPU. You got full-size Ethernet port in there still, so that's good. You got full-size HDMI in there, so that's kind of good. They're a bit chunky, you know, they're not ugly, they're just a bit chunky, they're a bit plain, they don't look as sleek as, let's say, for example, the Lenovo Legion Slim series that are also coming out pretty much soon with all Thunderbolt 4 and all the bells and whistles. But you know, I'm looking for a budget thing that can perform. Unfortunately, they didn't have any games for me to play there. Otherwise, I would have been there all day and they would have had to kick me out physically. So yeah, in terms of looks, build quality, and the specs, it sounds good. It looks good. It feels promising. But I need to literally get one in my hands and start playing games on it to know if the performance matches up to the specs, because as we already know, specs are just one part of the story. Anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think about these new Lenovo LOQ gaming laptops that are on the budget thing. Do you think they're gonna bang? Are you gonna cop one? Let me know in the comment section below and I'll catch you guys and give you guys some news basically if I ever get near one again.